Happy Monday, y'all. Welcome to another episode of SPX Levels of the Week. I'm going to start off with a quick review of last week's action. So, last Monday, I put out some levels. My upside levels were 34.79 to 3500 approximately, where I was watching to see if SPX would cross that for some upside potential. But what actually happened was the markets gapped down significantly on Monday at the bell, at least over 30 points below my level. And so my downside level was 34.24 to 3400. So in that range or even lower, I was looking for puts. And as you can see, big red candlestick here, the markets or SPX plummeted over 200 points over the course of last week, with a lot of that movement coming in on Monday actually. So I even said in last week's video that I did not expect or anticipate that the markets would be bullish. So, I was a little bit biased in my bearish assessment. But anyway, for this week, I'll be watching for approximately anywhere from like 3280 on up to maybe 3300 to the upside. Downside, I'm watching, I'll say about 3250 to 3225, somewhere in there. So, uh, not sure what's going to happen, not sure how the markets are going to react to the presidential election. I guess it's really going to depend on who wins. So, there may be some indecision. I think JP is supposed to be speaking sometime this week also. So a lot of things going on this week. Maybe not even a lot, but big significant events happening this week. We had big tech earnings last week, with Google being the only ticker that went positive and stayed that way. So that really had an impact on the markets as well. So, the biggest thing this week that we're watching for is the elections, but I'll just be watching those two levels to see what happens over the course of the week. Again, to the downside, watching approximately 3250 down to 3225, and then to the upside, I'll be watching about 3280 up to 3300. So we'll see what happens, and I'll see you guys next week for another episode of Levels of the Week.